This is day 3 of trying to make a 200-foot ace. Sit. Sit. Get in. Oh! Let's go! Come on! Day 3! 200 feet. That is crazy. Whoa! Come on! What a beautiful ace. That was crazy. Oh my goodness. A little bit windy, but I managed to figure out the wind, threw it in with a rock. I had a feeling that it was gonna go in, and it just sailed beautifully. First time I hit chains or metal. I thought I was gonna hit chain or metal, never did. So we'll see where we go from here. Maybe we'll do like 300, 250, and we'll come back to you with another series.